Hello, good people, I have heard so many tell of a train that's on a track and it's pointed straight to hell. There ain't no sweet salvation if you choose to get on board. So just find yourself a seat, 'cause we're running from the Lord. Hellbound train, headed down the track. On a hellbound train, headed down the track. Once you get on board, there ain't no coming back. On a hellbound train, get on board. I drank my share of whiskey, drove women insane. I swore a streak of blue, I even took his name in vain. I'm a sanctified sinner, a lost soul without the shame. Now I got a first class ticket on a hellbound train. A hellbound train, headed down the track. A hellbound train, headed down the track. Once you get on board, there ain't no coming back. On a hellbound train, get on board. Well, I've got this friend the devil, and we're on the first name basis. Alcoholic son of a bitch, womanizer, bigot, racist. It would be useless if I run, 'cause he knows the look my face is. There's a hellbound train, get on board. People, oh good people, now that you've heard the story plain, I pray that you'll think twice before you get up on that train. There'll be no sweet salvation if you choose to get on board. So just find yourself a seat, 'cause we're running from the Lord. Hellbound train, headed down the track. On a hellbound train, headed down the track. Once you get on board, there ain't no coming back. On a hellbound train, get on board.